Yesterday. Yesterday. Every day I am. Yesterday I was. I do. I did. I go. I went. I have. I had. I can. I could. I blank it every day. Tonight I am. Last night I was. Tonight you are. Last night you were. She is. She was. He is. He was. It is. It was. We are. We were. They are. They were. I blank. Busy last night. Oh, always. 5 minutes ago. She does it. She did it. She goes. She went. She has. She had. She is. She was. She says. She said. She does or did it 5 minutes ago. Usually last month. Present, past. He learns. He learned. He cooks. He cooked. He needs. He needed. He wants. He wanted. He looks. He looked. Regular verbs. Ed, ed, ed. He needs or needed it last month. Every day, yesterday. Present, past. They teach. They taught. They catch. They caught. They bring. They brought. They buy. They bought. They think. They thought. They think or thought about it yesterday.
Usually, yesterday. You usually speak. You spoke yesterday. You tell. You told. You say. You said. You sing. You sang. You read. You read. You sing or sang beautiful songs yesterday.
Every day, yesterday. I work every day. I worked yesterday. I cook. I cooked. I walk. I walked. I drive. I drove. I see. I saw. Regular verbs, irregular verbs. I see or saw you yesterday. This is Mimi. Mimi reads in English. Mimi writes in English. Mimi studies grammar. Mimi gets an A+ on the test. But Mimi can't speak English. Why? If Mimi wants to speak English, she must practice. She must speak. That's why I created a speaking club. We meet each Wednesday. You can speak English. I can help you. You can speak more English. Click the link in my bio or email speak to info@englishwithalina.com. info@englishwithalina.com.